The topic for today's lecture is artificial intelligence. There are two types of intelligence that is present in this whole world. First is traditional intelligence that is present in human beings, animals and plants and in our ecosystem. The second intelligence is artificial intelligence that is created by our humans, and also recently seen the AI is creating itself AI. In the China, AI model has created another AI model in only 13 minutes. So it's in itself is a great feat. Talking about the use of AI intelligence in hospital, we can see that the computers and AI is doing the surgery with great precision. In brain surgery and heart surgery is becoming the AI trends now. In space, we are sending rovers to the Mars and moons, and that is because the AI technology has integrated in them in themselves, and because of that they are doing with things with precision. Second is in education, we can see the AI is doing the assignments, homeworks very easily because of its great intelligence and uses. The peoples are currently students peoples and currently using it for different means, like for preparing the lecturate in SSBs and for gaining knowledge and also for doing complex mathematical sums. In AI is very helpful for human beings and can be very helpful in future as well. The robots we are creating are very helpful for us. They can take our jobs, like working in extreme conditions, in extreme weathers, making roads. They all can do this very easily. Talking about the negative effects of AI, so AI can take jobs. This is a very major issue in today's world, as the unemployment is rising day by day, and the threat of AI taking jobs is a very exponential threat. Currently we are seeing the many AI jobs, editor jobs are getting threatened by the AI. Also like we see many jobs like pilots are most of the planes are now working on autopilots, and some of the companies are also moving towards to making the commercial planes only pilotless. There are also many threats, like the AI is not reliable because we can't trust AI too much. Like if we are doing our own heart surgery, we can't trust AI that much as we trust a doctor. In extreme situations, like when there is a complication in the surgery, the AI can't think itself like a human does. So these all are the major problems with AI. But in my opinion, we should try to make a model that AI have humans emotions. So that's why it can solve many of our problems. Thank you very much.
Big round of applause.